Here's my supervisor hard at work. Hey, you were supposed to help me and tell me what to do next. Pippas, hey. Yeah, I'm talking to you. Okay, I'm getting ready to install this deadbolt latch. And they gave me some screws. Here's the funny thing, man. They gave me two different sizes of screws. Here's some long ones and here's some really short ones. They say either install these or those. And this is the one that came out of it. See, that one's a little bit longer than these little short ones they gave me. And they might be a little bit bigger thread too. And so these little short ones might not work. And if they don't, I'll install the longer ones. If I install the longer ones, I'll pre-drill the hole just a little to allow for this to go in. You don't want to just ram that into your door in case you hit something in there and you start stripping your screw head or something like that. Okay, and the face on this, I'm going to take this and turn it like that. See how the face is it looks like the same size as that. Okay, see there? Look at that. Everything lines up exact, so I know it's going to fit right on in there. Now, if you had the kind without this latch and you wanted just the round one, like I say, they sell those separately, and then you would set that in the hole and then tap it in. They say to take a block of wood, but I usually would take just a putty knife or something, a stiffer putty knife. Here I got a stiff putty knife. I'll just set that on there, tap, 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 you know, boom, 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 like that, and not hit that with the hammer. Okay, so this is the next thing I've got to do, and it should be easy enough to just put in there, and I make sure it's facing up and make sure this is all fit in there just right, and that should slip right in there. Look at that. Okay, I'll screw it in. Now here's something else too. If your door is a metal door and if your edge is metal or something, see the screws they give you? It's a wood screw from here to about there, and then it's machine screw. So if you have a metal side, like sometimes aluminum doors or steel doors, this side might be metal, and you might think, how am I going to screw that in with just wood threads? Sometimes you can do it if you don't have the metal machine screw at the end, you know, if you only have this, but then sometimes you can't, or it might strip or something like that. So they do that, and I'm just putting in these little screws because they're still going in, okay, and it's still snug. So, well, I thought it was. Oh, there we go. Okay. Those aren't really your holding power. Once I mount everything else and attach it on there, that's going to be strong enough. I won't really need those long screws if I don't have to install those long screws. That's not really what's giving this the strength. But if you put the little small screws in the side, and if your screws aren't long enough and spinning, then use the longer ones that they give you. Okay.